and welcome back to the Canning Nana. Today we're going to make homemade sauerkraut. Now I think I've showed you this before, but this is, I'm doing it a little bit different, and this is a new video for this year, so we're going to show you again. So I've got about 2.5 large cabbages in here, pretty big size. This is compared to my hand. This is what I have left. And I put 2.5 tablespoons of Himalayan Pink Salt in with the cabbage. Now all you want to do is just cut it up into small bite-sized pieces and start scrunching down like this. Use both hands. I can't do that right now. Ava's going to show you how to do that with her hands. There you go. And you want to do that until you start getting a liquid brine. It takes about almost exactly 10 minutes. Once you get that, you want to get a jar and put your sauerkraut in the jar like this. And make sure that the brine, see if you can see that liquid. See that liquid right there is the brine. You want to make sure that all the sauerkraut is covered, and then put another jar on top or a weight, something very clean. Put a cheesecloth or a paper towel with a rubber band around your top of your jar, and you have sauerkraut. And what you're going to let it do is let it ferment for at least 3 to 7 days, if not longer. At the end of the 3 to 7 days, keep tasting your sauerkraut. Make sure that it tastes like sauerkraut. It's going to taste much more mild than what you would get in the store. Once you get it to the taste and flavor that you want it to, then you put it in the refrigerator, jar it up, put it in the refrigerator, and you've got homemade sauerkraut. It's that easy. Just cabbage and salt. And you can use regular salt, but today I'm using Himalayan Pink Salt. There you have it. Homemade sauerkraut. Super simple. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll be back really soon with some more videos. Bye!